stomach's going nuts. It's done, and I can go back to normal. Of the fact that not a lot of people are flying, the airlines are reducing ASMR. I wanted to do more, you know, when you talk about something like depression or loneliness. There soon. Work has just been nuts, absolutely nuts. My stomach is also going crazy, and I listen back and I'm just like, oh God, oh, do you hear that stomach? My stomach's howling for food. It's fun. Did you hear that? My stomach. I always have a water bottle with me everywhere I go. I'm constantly drinking water. Gosh. Can you hear that? I hope you guys can hear that. Yeah, I just felt kind of really lethargic and just so well that I remember it. And off the top of my head, there's two moments in my life that I woke up and I was like, oh, that was the best sleep I've ever had. One time when I was, I think like 14 or 15, and same scenario in both cases, where, and maybe you guys have had experienced this, where you go to bed on your back. Oh, I'm hungry. Oh, it was so great. There's nothing. Maybe this is like an age thing, but like, or maybe not. Makes me wonder. But yeah, I was trying to get an audible representation of, and for those of you that have experienced it, where you essentially reach that place, and there's a name for it that's escaping me right now, but essentially get to a place where everything is fluid, like shapeless shapes, and like a that I don't even know if I'll ever release it. I actually started the project back in April, and I've had a lot of starts and stops to it, but I haven't touched it for several months. Again, I should tell you guys that I have so many unfinished projects, but I get really excited about an idea, and then if I'm not able to execute on it rather quickly, my interest begins to wane pretty fast, and the level of motivation needed to complete that project increases as time goes by, and oftentimes I don't circle back around to it, and that's okay. I used to be really hard on myself about that, but now I just let it go and move on. But yeah, we'll see. I don't know. The project is more like time sensitive and relevant to what's going on in the world. So we'll see. I'll try to jump back on it for you. I think conceptually it's a great idea. I just don't know about the execution quite yet. The life of an ASMRtist. ASMRtist. Yeah. I always have a million ideas in my head. It's funny. If you ever go shopping with me, you'll see me like grabbing things and like holding them up to my ear. Like, ooh, yeah, that sounds great. Cameras only record for a certain length of period, a certain period of time. And then in the comments, I'm curious. I've never looked it up. such talent, so much talent.